Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about a new era of real estate videos, a new type of content that you can be creating that can honestly get you more business and make you more money. Let's get into the video right now. So first off, I wanted to say a big thank you to everyone that watched the last video and give me a big congratulations for launching my new business, Pro Real Media. If you didn't see it, I'll link up the video up here so you can check out why I started that business and the biggest reason for that. And I'm honestly really excited to do more videos with that business for this channel, showcasing different projects we do, more real estate photo video stuff, and this is one of those videos. But before jumping into the video, we have to announce the winner of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. In case you missed it, I'm giving away a Feiyu Pocket. All you have to do is comment on that video on what you would be using it. And the randomly chosen winner is Jency Elfert. She's in the works of starting a sports video and podcast channel, and this would help her get started with that. So happy to help, glad this is going to you, and hope you put it to good use. All right, back to the video. So what is vertical content exactly? Basically, the way I would define it is just a video that is just, vertically oriented. In other words, the videos that you see on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Instagram Story is a form of vertical content. And why it's becoming so popular is because now we can see content full screen on our phone. It takes up the entire real estate of the screen, and it's more engaging, especially if the content is really engaging, and instead of just being a little piece on the phone where it's like a normal styled video, definitely captures a viewer's attention versus them having to, rotate their screen. And it's a different experience almost because it's just a different style of content. So we all know that TikTok is becoming massive, and every business out there is basically starting to utilize it and honestly hire creatives to create professionally done vertical styled videos. So that is how you can honestly start utilizing it for your real estate business to now do that with your real estate videos. So now let's get into some tips for making vertical styled content. First and foremost, you want to shoot your footage in 4K. Let's say you have your camera balanced on a gimbal, you're doing a real estate video, you're going through the whole home to make the regular real estate listing video. You can utilize that same footage and just crop in, just punch in, and it's still gonna look really good whenever you export that. It's still gonna retain a lot of that detail and look really good online still. The next tip I have is center frame the subjects of your video. So if you're filming a big room, just kind of make sure that the focal point is the center frame. That way, when you punch into that vertically, you're still gonna have a lot of the majority of the room still how you would want it. And the reason for this is to make this as easy as possible for you, because I've been creating professionally done Reels and TikToks, vertical styled content from this type of footage that I've shot already, and the realtors have been loving it. You could take it a step further and actually shoot everything vertically. So just take your camera, mount it on a gimbal vertically. I know a lot of the new gimbals support that feature. So you can do that and you'll get way better results, but I'm just trying to utilize already the footage that you have. You can make it happen simply by reframing your shots on a new sequence, and it's gonna look good. So to get started in editing that video, all you have to do is take your regular size video and just flip the dimensions. So in other words, it's gonna be 1080 by 1920. I had to look at the monitor to do that. And if you want it to be even higher quality, I guess equivalent to 4K, you would just double those dimensions. So then let's say that you already have your sequence cut up for your regular listing video, you've exported that. All you have to do is copy all of that stuff, drag it over to your new sequence, and basically rescale everything and just reframe it to where you're showing what you want to show for the vertical styled content. Now it sounds like a lot, but it's honestly really simple, especially because what I've been doing is making these no longer than 30 seconds. That way they can post them as an Instagram Reel, a TikTok, or anything else, and it's gonna work great. Obviously there's way more ideas you can do, but that's already a start that you could do to just make it easy on yourself, to see if you like it, if your realtors like it, and just go from there. Another good friend of mine that's an awesome content creator is my friend Larry. I'm gonna show some of his work right here because he honestly probably gets like 80% of his work is just creating reels, which is so cool, and he's really good at it. And he shoots a lot of that stuff specifically vertically oriented, so it's even better. So not only looks better, but captures everything he needs, which is really awesome. So you can take it a step further like that too. So now once you started creating these and realtors are actually interested and want to keep getting those, you can now create a new package along with your regular listing video. So let's say that you do a listing video for $500. You can make a new package that's maybe $750 where you can create a listing video and at least 1 or 2 vertical styled videos already from that content that you got. So now this realtor has, their listing video for MLS and for YouTube or whatever, and they can post it on their social media page, the team page, whatever, and post it as a reel or a TikTok, having more opportunity to get that viewed by a bigger audience. So now you can take it a step further and test the waters with this by simply taking the footage you already shot for other homes and see if they're still in the market, see if they still haven't been sold, and make new video edits styled vertically for TikTok and Reels, and give it to your clients and say, hey, I can make an additional edit, or I already made this, you know, how's this for 75 bucks or 125 or whatever you think the value of that should be. And now you can just start making money from home, essentially just doing that from the videos that you already created. So not only for my business have we already started doing this, but I've implemented it in one of our, photo video packages where we do the photos of a house, we do a listing video, and then a shorter version, which is a vertical styled video. And honestly, the clients seem to be loving it. And I'm starting to make some of real estate videos we've already shot, just making them really quick and simple and sending it to them, say, hey, you like this? We can make more of these, especially in the future, and it seems to be going well. So final thoughts, if you're looking to expand your real estate business from just listing photos and a listing video, this is definitely the way to go, because vertical content is only getting more and more popular and becoming a necessity for realtors that are heavily using social media, and it can honestly help your business out too. For example, on my page, on ProReal Media's Instagram, we are posting the video content we create also. So I'm posting it as reels on our page too. Some of these already have like 4,000 views, 1,000 views, and the page has like 100 followers. So mass opportunity there. So I know it's honestly a pain sometimes to keep up with new and trending social media things, but honestly, if you take the time to learn it, implement it, and start offering it, it can take your business to the next level. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this insight into making some vertical styled content. I would love to see what you guys create, so please tag me and send it to me because I'd love to check it out. Maybe we can also do something where I can like review or check out some of y'all's videos, because it'd be pretty cool. So leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down your thoughts, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to be part of the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.